Project managers have both a challenging and rewarding job. They are the pillar for operations and one of the main drivers of cash flow for an organization. Rod Cruz here with Trifecta Growth Institute to talk about why it is so important for project managers to be subject matter experts. As an owner, project manager, or project team member, have you ever wondered why you do something the way you do? Have you ever been told, because we have always done it that way? Well, the sad truth is, the statement, because we've always done it that way, can be dangerous, expensive, and crippling to an organization. For me, that statement is a scapegoat for someone who does not know the true answer or does not have the understanding to answer the question with confidence and certainty. Your company's project management services are instrumental to what you offer clients. It is your company's biggest value proposition. Your company must instill confidence in your project manager's ability to deliver projects to your customer base, and that's probably not going to happen when they are told, because we've always done it that way. If you were a customer, would you view that person as a subject matter expert? I know I would not. Now think of the benefits your company would receive if everyone in your organization could agree on the same processes and procedures for their projects. Think of the benefits to your organization in the terms of cost savings, increased efficiency, time management, and faster cycle times, which ultimately results in higher profits. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, Trifecta Growth Institute's flagship project management training course, the Linchpin, is designed to equip restoration and construction project managers, company leadership, and owners with the knowledge needed to catapult your team to new heights. You and your team members will achieve a full understanding of project management and how to incorporate a set of crucial tools and techniques that will exceed customer expectations, resulting in complete customer satisfaction. The Linchpin provides project management principles, concepts, tools, and techniques required to plan out jobs so you will increase job profitability and reduce scheduling overruns and costly delays. This will help your organization achieve a consistent cash flow, including incorporating quality controls that eliminate rework. In the course, you will learn about stakeholder management, scope management, schedule management, budgeting, cost management, and quality management, just to name a few. Training is delivered 1 day a week for a total of 3 weeks, so it doesn't disrupt your operations. And soon, we will be offering an e-learning option. Upon completion of the Linchpin, you'll be ready to move on to the Restoration Warrior Workshop, which is a practical application of the concepts learned and given the week after the Linchpin. This includes how to develop an iron triangle, which help you manage multiple jobs, meet company requirements, and may even help you achieve quarterly bonuses like others who have attended the course before you. Please feel free to visit our blog to hear testimonials from previous participants. So don't delay. Start your journey now to get certified as a restoration project manager to gain a competitive advantage over your peers in competition. Just click the link below to register. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next course. Get ready to learn, grow, and get certified.